Struggling to understand what visitors do on your hosting or site? Install Hotjar in minutes and start seeing heat maps today. It is so frustrating to have a website and just wonder, are people actually reading my content? Are they getting stuck somewhere? Are they even clicking that button I spent hours designing? You don't have to guess anymore. Hotjar gives you the actual answers. So here is the plan. I am going to walk you through 6 simple steps to integrate Hotjar directly from your hosting or dashboard. No coding, no complicated plugins, just you and your website builder. All right, let us jump in. Start by opening up your site in the hosting or website builder. You are looking for your project dashboard. This is where you design and edit everything. Just go ahead and open that up because we need to get inside the builder to access the tools. Now find the Apps section in the left-hand panel. It is usually part of the sidebar menu. Look for a little icon or the word Apps itself. Click on that. This is your command center for adding extra features to your site, and Hotjar is one of them. Scroll down through the list of available apps until you see Hotjar. Give it a click. And here is the really important part. Before you just paste in your tracking code, you will see a notice about tracking consent. Click on that notice to expand it. It says something about using tracking technologies and staying compliant with privacy rules. Pay attention to this one. Hostinger is basically reminding you that you need a cookie banner or some consent management tool for your visitors. This is not just bureaucracy. This keeps you out of legal trouble and shows your visitors you respect their privacy. So read that info, understand it, and make sure you have a plan for consent before you go live. Next, locate the Hotjar site ID field. This is the little box where you enter your unique tracking number. You need to grab that site ID from your actual Hotjar account. If you do not have a Hotjar account yet, just head over to their site. Sign up for free, and they will give you a site ID once you add your website. Come back here, type or paste that ID into the field. Double check it. A single wrong digit and nothing will track properly. Finally, click the highlight button or the confirmation button to save everything. That might just look like a check mark or a save button depending on your version of the builder. Click it, and just like that, you are done. Your Hostinger site is now talking to Hotjar. From blind to seeing exactly what your visitors do. You have got heat maps, session recordings, and feedback tools ready to go. Give it a few hours for data to start rolling in, then check your Hotjar dashboard. It is honestly like having a superpower for your website. If this helped, hit that like button so more people can stop guessing about their visitors too.